So I told you the computer network is, what is computer network is the connection of two or more computers. Simple definitions, you can remember this. The connection of two or more computers, computer networks. So if you want to connect two or more computers, we need some devices. We need some devices. Give me a minute. So you can see this is a one. This image shows that some make the computer networks. Okay, this is a computer network. You can see in your book. Better you can keep with you. The book this is slide is actually based on your book. அதில் இருக்கிற அதே சில விஷயங்கள் எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா சில image போட்டு I am explaining this one. So this image is in your book. So this is how the computer network is there. So this is, we say, internet times. Then we have modems, and we have something we say router and firewall, and switch and hub, server, and desktop PC, smartphone, then Wi-Fi access point. So these are some devices we are using in the computer network, right? So number one, number one, we say network interface card. That simply we say NIC, not of identity. So this is network interface card. And also we have switch or hub. Okay, both are for same function. We are using for same function, but not both are same. So there are different. So we'll see later. And Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi access point. This one the Wi-Fi access point and Wi-Fi access point. And the fourth one is router and modems and firewalls. Okay, so this is what we will see one by one. So now we'll go for the network interface card. Network interface card, this is how it looks like. How many of you seen this one? How many of you seen this? And where did you see this? Anyone? Sharon is here.
PC la handigan.
Yeah, easy in your computer. That is, we say system unit. In system unit, you might see very good. System unit நாங்க சாதாரண system unit CPU ன்னு சொல்றது, but system unit and CPU are different. Okay, system unit CPU are different. Okay, anyhow, you might see in the system unit. So the network interface card is a hardware components. Hardware means we can touch and feel. Hardware components without which a computer cannot connect to over the network. So without this, a computer cannot connect to the networks. அது இல்லாட்டி ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு நெட்வொர்க் கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. So definitely it must have. So we have the NIC. So we say NIC means the network interface card has a RJ45 port. You might study in grade 7, 8, 9 in ICT. There are different kind of ports are there. RJ45 ports. The RJ45 ports கண்டிருப்பீங்க. பின்னால ஒரு இன்டர்நெட் கேபிள் நீங்க அந்த கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல பிளக் பண்ணும்போது there will be the blink, the red and the orange light will blinks. So that cable and that port. So you can see this is the port. This is the port. This is the RJ45 port. Okay, this is the place we are connecting the cable. And also it has a slot. You can see this slot, the gold color. This is, you can plug into the motherboard. Okay, you can remove the system unit and you can buy some NIC. If you don't have, you can buy the NIC and you can plug it. What is in the motherboard? The plug panel, the gold color, the plug panel. And this is the outside, it seems. So the outside, only you can see this part. Computer, you can see this kind of port. You might see in laptop also, and you might see in the personal computer PC. You might see this, the bulb will be blinking there, orange, and then these two are blinking. So you can see this one. So that is, we have talked about the NIC. NIC is what? Simply an hardware component which is used to connect the computer to the network. Okay, that is a simple definition. Right, so now we will move to the switch and hub. Switch and hub, I told you switch and hub, we are using the switch and hub for the same purpose. The purpose is same. Okay, some purpose use pandrom. So this is act as a mediator to build the connections between two or more computers. So it is act as a mediator, or in the like a bro. How can you say the mediator is? So that person is we can simply say the mediator. Our that one. The mediator, so it acts like a mediator to build the connections of computer network. Okay, right? So if you want to connect the computer, that computer must have the NIC, and the computer NIC. Okay, to build the network connections. Okay, network connection build it act as a mediator, and also it use the wire transmission mediums. What is wire transmission medium? Is you know that what is wire transmission medium? Can anyone reply me? What is wire transmission medium? What? How many types or how many wire transmission mediums are there? Can anyone please reply me? What is guided transmission medium?
3.
Sorry,
3.
3. What are those?
Twisted pair.
Yes, very good. L. And finally,
Coaxial pair.
okay.
Fiber optics.
Very good, excellent. So these are the fiber, these are the wired connection, right? So the switch or hub, it only use this wired connection. We don't have any wireless switch and hub. Okay. Okay, right. So the one end is connected to the port of computer. So what do you mean by port here? The port is especially the RJ45 port. Computer internet port and what is that? That is RJ45 port. Okay. So this the one end is connected to the port in the computer, and other end is connected to the port in the switch or hub. Okay. So we have the wired. Definitely, we will have a wire. It may be a twisted pair, or it may be a fiber optics, whatever it is. One will be connected to computer. Computer port mean actually RJ45 port, and another cable is connected to the switch. Okay, right. So the main difference. So now we'll see what is hub and switch. What is hub and switch? There are many questions. Oil paper there will be a over version the failure. What is the difference between the hub and switch? What is the good one? What is the intelligent device? Like that. Okay. So see. So the data transmission is very speed. The data transmit speed is very slow in hub. If we talk about the hub is very old is hub. Very latest one is switch, and the speed is very. Okay, I think I have typed mistakenly. The data transmission is not speed. The data transmission is slow in hub, and then data transmission is speed in switch. Okay, so this is wrong. I think I want to change it. It should not come like this. Okay, so the data transmission is slow in hub, and data transmission is speed in switch. And see, so normally hub send the data, transmitted data to all computer. I can, so you can see this. Okay, you can see this one. So what is happening is this is the hub. Okay, this is the hub. So this is a hub, and see someone sending data. So this here, someone sending the data. So that data is like the green color. So it is C. Where for example, he is sending to A. He want to send this data to A. A is this. What is happening? The hub is sending to all. The transmitted data will be sent to all the computer. Okay. For example, computer laboratory 100 computer ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு ஒரு மெயிலோ ஏதோ ஒன்று வருது, யார் ஒரு ஆள் அனுப்புறாரு உங்களோட அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கு, உங்களோட மெயில் அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கு. ஆனால் what will happen is அந்த ஹப் இஃப் யூ ஆர் யூசிங் ஹப், அது வந்து எல்லா கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கும் போய் அனுப்பி பார்க்கும், எல்லாருக்கும் ரிப்ளை அதை கொடுத்து அனுப்பி பார்க்கும். அதில் யாரு ரிப்ளை பண்றாரோ அவரோட கம்யூனிகேஷன் பண்ணும். ஓகே ஓகே ரைட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் the way of hub. And see the switch. What is switch is doing? So see, and this one is sending the data. It exactly goes to that computer, and this one is sending data that is exactly go to this computer. So this is what we say switch is very intelligent device. Okay, I can simply say in Tamil, hub என்பது ஒரு மெசேஜ் எல்லாருக்கும் அனுப்பும். இருக்கிற கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஊர்பாட்ட கம்ப்யூட்டர் தான் அந்த ஊர்பாட்ட கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு அனுப்பும். அனுப்பிட்டு யார் ரிப்ளை பண்றாங்களோ அவரோட கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணும். பட் ஸ்விட்ச் இஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். இட் இஸ் இன்டெலிஜென்ட் டிவைஸ். யாருக்கு கொடுக்கணுமோ, அது 1,00,000 கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருந்தாலும் சரி, அந்த 1,00,000 ஒரு ஆளுக்கு சரியா போட்டு போய் அந்த மெசேஜை கொடுக்கும். தட் இஸ் த யூஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்விட்ச். பட் வி ஆர் யூசிங் போத் ஃபார் சேம் பர்பஸ். போத் ஆர் ஆக்டிங் ஆஸ் அ மீடியேட்டர். பாருங்க, இங்க வார தகவலை இங்க கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ஒரு மீடியேட்டராகத்தான் இவர் இருக்கிறார். ஓகே, இட் ஆக்ட் லைக்ஸ் அ மீடியேட்டர். Both switch also same. And see the next point, hub create many unnecessary network conjunctions. What is network traffic? Actually, we can say network traffic. So what is network traffic is, network one slow. It is so much of network slow when you are using hub, because it is sending all the data to all the computer. Okay, it is your network is very slow. It is network traffic is very high if you are using hub. But if you are using the switch, the network will be more speed. Your network is more speed. You our laboratory, if you have any mind or the laboratories, you can see the switch. Our lab switch irikkum, and blink panni irikkum, so fit pannipanga. That is we say switch. Okay, that is we say switch. And the switch la lab gulukku anithu computer connect pannapatirukku. Okay, understood, right? And see the last point. In data transmission, hub use half duplex mode and switch use full duplex mode. Well, you know what is half duplex and full duplex? Okay, what is half duplex and full duplex? Half duplex is sending both direction but at a time one. Okay, example, walkie-talkie is a half duplex. What is full duplex is both times both people can talk. But the switch is using full duplex. The meanwhile, the hub is using half duplex. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now we will go to the Wi-Fi access point.
Sir, please repeat that one, sir.
Which one? The last point? Okay.
The last one.
Okay, very good. So in the data transmissions, while see the green colors are data transmission. The data transmission, the hub use half duplex. What is half duplex is, நீங்க அனுப்பிட்டு வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கணும் அவர்கிட்ட இந்த பதில் வரும் வரைக்கும். அப்ப அவர் அனுப்பும் போது இட் இஸ் ஃபுல் டூப்ளெக்ஸ் நடக்க, ரெண்டும் ஒரே நேரத்தில் ரெண்டு பேரும் கதை கேளாது இஃப் யூ ஆர் யூசிங் ஹப். ஸோ அதனால இந்த ஹப், இஃப் யூ ஆர் யூசிங் ஹப், த நெட்வொர்க் இஸ் வெரி ஸ்லோ பிகாஸ் hub use half duplex. Okay, it use half duplex and the switches use full duplex. Full duplex mean both time the simultaneously both people can talk simultaneously. Okay, both people can talk simultaneously. அவர் ஹலோ போது இவரும் ஹலோ பண்ணலாம் இப்படி ஸ்விட்ச் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கடா. பட் இங்க ஹப் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கடா, அவர் ஹலோன்னு சொன்னது பிறகு திரும்ப வந்து நீங்க how are you நீங்க ரிப்ளை பண்ணணும் if you are using hub, right? Okay, so this is my end of my today class. Because I have class for the OL also. Now 6:30 I have another class. So this is my last slide today, and the end of the class will be the next class will be next Sunday.